Hey guys, what's happening? How to use Opal Card for public transport in Sydney. First of all, get an Opal Card. Buy it at a station, retailers, or order online. Next, load funds via the Opal app, right? Website or retailers by just selecting add right here. And you're gonna be able to add the Opal card, right? Or credit card or debit card, right? And basically move on with the process. Tap on, hold your card to the reader when boarding trains, buses, ferries, or light rail. Tap off, do the same when exiting to ensure the correct to ensure correct fare calculation. Right. So use contactless. No card, use a linked debit or credit card or mobile payment and enjoy the discounts. Get a free travel after 8 paid trips per week and daily fare caps. Pro tip, avoid peak hours for cheaper fares. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.